There are several hundred people in here. They're all expecting this team to hack that safe. They're looking kind of nervous up there.
From the outside of the safe, this thing is magnetic. So we just walk up, attach it to the safe, and it starts doing its thing. The motor is going to turn the dial and pull on the handle, and it's going to take some measurements. So a normal safe has about 1 million combinations. 100 times 100 times 100, right? This reduces that problem set from 1 million down to about 1,000 combination. Doing a demo at DEF CON is kind of stressful, but we're pretty excited. So excited, we got the safe open. That was one of the scariest things we've done. Can't believe that worked. That was awesome. This robot is never going to come into someone's home and open up their safe. There's lots and lots of other things that they should be worried about, not our robot. Yeah, this is just a fun demonstration.